District Legal Services Authority Ukroli Matun Sada Remetri the Lakeshi Rachum now Psycho Relay Ka Salam Sali Ajay Ukrol District Legal Services Authority Hitada Awareness Program upon the Tade the Singada Kalaki Kamataya Karentia Arihon Pantamikina Maram Sada Yari Ashangwe Makasi Paila Lay High Salala Itum Richum now Saipore Ayin Tay Kamating Ainang Soda Na Iwi Mashun Tay Mating Ser Kabai Sasada Hitada TV Radio Gala online through Aina Tay Day the Ayini Maramli Vaumalan Kamikasana Richum now Saipore na Ukul District Legal Services Authority we program subscribe Sankami Ainang Soda Nanami Logala Yangi Selo Itum Saipore Kokasada Ayin Tay Kangarum Ainang Soda Ima Yurs and Garumsa Natumna legal problem face kasa or some kapangtikan. Katuringala kachihu Malay Lakla. District Legal Services Authority we helpline number here 600-990-4972 Hili contact Sami Paira. Manning Aka District Legal Services Authority we front office here mini secretariat complex we SCO Ukrol Club. Ground floor hili office are atamli asam kami paira ningshila kaira